So today the cadets are getting introduced to Seibert operations that the Army conducts, and right now they've been introduced to one of the threats, which is CS gas, and so they're currently expelling a lot of, if anybody was sick, they're expelling a lot of bodily fluids that way. So this day is all about getting introduced to that side of the Army.
I have done this before, and my memory from my memory, it wasn't that bad, but I go through again, it was a lot worse than what I thought. But I'm good that we overcame overcame the confidence, I guess. So it was good.
Said you relive a lot of the trials and tribulations of actually walking through. As you get closer to actually stepping in the chamber, a bunch of things are running through your head. You know, am I going to be fine? Am I going to make it through this type of thing? But once you take your mask off and actually inhale the CS gas, you think everything's going to be fine, then it hits you, and then you come out of the room. It gets a little bit worse, and then you start recovering when you get that fresh oxygen.
I've never been in a situation where I had to take off my gas mask and just breathe in something that I don't want to breathe in. So this is very new to me. I guess I'm gonna try to do my best, and I might have fun, possibly, you never know.
The moment I felt it, I was getting slightly panicked, because that's not what I expected a little. But I stayed there, I did everything that I was told to do so, and I made it through outside.
The purpose is really to familiarize the cadets with something they could be facing, how to handle like those chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats, and how to mitigate them as best possible. Being part of the Army, you need to know what things you might end up facing in your career. These threats are one of those things, and so knowing it and knowing what it feels like is important for anybody in the Army.